In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multi-factor authentication in Clio Manage. By the end, you'll have an extra layer of security on your account, making it much harder for anyone else to gain access. All you'll need is your Clio Manage account and an authenticator app on your phone, such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy. Start by logging into Clio and opening your profile settings. You can usually find this by clicking your profile icon and selecting the profile or settings page. Once you're there, scroll until you see the multi-factor authentication section. The layout can vary slightly depending on updates, so take a moment to scan the page if you don't see it right away. Next, click the option to set up multi-factor authentication. You'll be offered different methods, but for this walkthrough, choose to use an authenticator app. This method generates time-based one-time codes on your phone and works even if you don't have a cell signal, as long as your device's time is accurate. Clio will display a QR code on your screen. Open your Authenticator app on your phone and choose the option to add a new account, then scan the QR code. If your camera has trouble, many apps offer a manual entry option using a key shown on the screen. After the app recognizes the code, it will start generating 6-digit verification codes that refresh every 30 seconds. Back in Clio, click Continue to proceed. You'll now be asked to test your Authenticator app. Look at the current 6-digit code in your app and enter it into the verification field in Clio. If the code just changed, use the latest one to avoid a timeout. Double-check each digit before you move on, then submit the code to confirm the setup. From here, follow any remaining prompts until you reach a confirmation message. Some accounts may present helpful security notes at this stage, so read them carefully. If you're given any recovery information, store it securely in a place you trust. Finally, verify that multi-factor authentication is active on your account. You should see a clear indicator in the same multi-factor authentication section that shows it's enabled. On your next sign-in, Clio will ask for a code from your Authenticator app after you enter your password, confirming everything is working as expected. That's it. Your account is now protected with an extra layer of security. If you found this helpful, make sure to keep your Authenticator app accessible and your device time set automatically for the most reliable codes. Thanks for watching.